I remembered why I started riding in the first place. It was never about going fast or being the first to arrive. It was never about being loud or flashy. It was always about finding missing pieces of myself in nature. Grabe ang effort para maabot mo ng lugar. Sunod na kaniro, Doms. Nimatami og 4 AM sa buntag and nilarga before 5. It was a long stretch of road, highway ug twisties. But credit where credit is due. Kading orasa nga wala pa ng mata ang mga tao, mingaw kaayo ang dalan, baling gwapuha og scenery sa Mabinay. Nihonong mikadjot sa gasoline station para mo stretch og CR break. Dayon nilarga ra po dayon kay conscious mi sa time. Sa gidangat ni mos ride Doms. Unsa gidangat ni mos ride.
Kagol.
Wow, Jabi. Kinsa yung 2-piece chicken ka, Doms? Ay, 1-piece chicken. Ay, ako din eh. Padulong nako sa destination namo until gatubang na kog dalan nga kabatuhan. Gadua-dua ko og sakto ba jud ning gihatag sa Google Maps nako. Nangutan ako sa mga local if mao ba ni ang dalan padulong Hermit Mountain. Ilang gi-explain ako nga oo and kaya ra daw sa akong motor. Pero basin ko ang maglisod kay ako kay moagi pa og daghang kabatuhan og sapa. So ni-suggest sila og alternative route. I was currently taking the kamangkamang Isabela route to Hermit Mountain and ang ilang gi-suggest is via Payao, Binalbagan. At this point, nagkabulag mi sa akong kuyog. I just assumed that they were trailing me and will meet a few minutes later like we usually do. Lain-lain may gruta nga gi-follow sa Google Maps and they were able to follow the shorter and easier one. So nibalik ko sa agi in the rain without any gloves because I had to stop from time to time and check the navigation on my phone. Kaya even though ang dashboard sa akong motor has this feature built in, it does not support alternative routes. It was another 30 minutes of riding, stopping from time to time para mo check sa maps. Up until I saw the view and I knew nga mauna jud ni. Mauna ni among gipaningkamutan og adto. Musta Doms? Musta imong pagkawala Doms?
Ako nawala.